If you've been looking at the HISTRIPS wrist alarm, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped gadget? After looking into its features and what it offers, here's what I found. The HISTRIPS wrist alarm is designed to give you extra peace of mind. It's a wearable personal safety alarm that sits comfortably on your wrist. Instead of digging through your bag or pocket during an emergency, you can activate the alarm almost instantly. One of its biggest advantages is convenience. Since it's always on your wrist, it's easy to reach when you need it most. The loud alarm is meant to attract attention and may help scare off someone with bad intentions. That makes it useful for students, runners, travelers, seniors, or anyone who spends time alone. The design is also simple and lightweight. It doesn't feel bulky, so wearing it every day shouldn't be a problem. If you want a basic personal safety device without complicated features, this could be a good option. Of course, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. A wrist alarm isn't a replacement for staying aware of your surroundings or contacting emergency services. It's simply another layer of protection that could help in certain situations. So, is the HISTRIPS wrist alarm legit or a scam? Based on its intended purpose, it appears to be a legitimate personal safety product. However, whether it's worth your money depends on your needs. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-carry safety alarm, it could be a smart purchase. Just make sure you buy it from a trusted seller and check recent customer reviews before ordering. Overall, the HISTRIPS wrist alarm offers a simple way to feel a little more secure during your daily routine. It won't solve every safety concern, but it may provide extra confidence when you're out and about.